Hey, it's me, Julie Winter-Paez, the team leader of the JWP Group over at RE/MAX, and I'm just reaching out today. I've been doing a little research on building wealth and how to grow your lifestyle so that you can eventually slow down from your workload at some point in your life. And I realized, and I didn't know this before, but single family rentals were not considered an asset class until right around 2013 to 2015, the Great Recession. So when the housing market crashed the last time and a lot of people were losing their house and properties were going into foreclosure, that's when we saw a lot of the big companies coming in and buying houses and turning them into single family rentals. Prior to that, they were very small mom and pops owning a lot of the homes that people rent around the country. So if you're interested in building wealth or in building your real estate portfolio so that someday you can have residual income on things like single family rentals, and northern Wisconsin is where you might be interested in doing that, please give me a call. Myself and my team would love to help guide you through the process. We know what makes for a good rental and what doesn't. And we know rents and rates in the area so that we can help kind of guide you through what would be a good property to invest in and what might not be. Again, so if you're looking to find ways to offset your income so someday you can slow down a little bit, give us a call at the JWP Group. We would love to help guide you through the process in northern Wisconsin. Have a fantastic day and look forward to seeing you in the North Woods.